Welcome to chemistry class, GCSE. Air pollution. Air pollution. Increasing carbon dioxide is causing climate change, but CO2 isn't the only gas released when fossil fuels burn. Combustion of fossil fuels releases gases and particles. Fossil fuels such as crude oil and coal contain hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons can combust, burn in oxygen. There are two types of combustion: complete combustion, when there's plenty of oxygen around, all of the fuel burns. Incomplete combustion, when there's not enough oxygen around, some of the fuel does not burn. Both of the combustion release carbon dioxide and water vapor into the atmosphere. During incomplete combustion, solid particles called particulates of soot, carbon, and unburned fuel are also released. Carbon monoxide gas is also produced. Particulates in the air and carbon monoxide can cause all sorts of problems. Particulates. If particulates are breathed in, they can get stuck in the lungs and cause damage. This can lead to respiratory problems. They are also bad for the environment. They reflect sunlight back into space. This means that less light reaches the Earth, causing global dimming. Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is really dangerous because it can stop your blood from carrying oxygen around the body. A lack of oxygen in the body can lead to fainting, a coma, or even death. Carbon monoxide doesn't have any color or smell, so it's very hard to detect. This makes it even more dangerous. Sulfur dioxide and oxides of nitrogen can be released. Other pollutants are also released from burning fossil fuels. Sulfur dioxide is released during the combustion of fossil fuels that contain sulfur impurities. Nitrogen oxides form in a reaction between nitrogen and oxygen in the air. This oxygen is caused by the heat of the burning fossil fuels. These gases mix with clouds and cause acid rain. Acid rain kills plants. It also damages buildings, statues, and metals. Sulfur dioxide And nitrogen oxides also cause respiratory problems if they are breathed in. Thank you for watching and like, share and subscribe.